This is BTEC Engineering Unit 7, Section B15 of the Examples booklet on page 18. As usual, this is a video, not a lesson, so you may need to pause to take notes. Right, so part A, as we've done in the last few sections, is about using the mid-ordinate rule with 4 strips to find how far the vehicle has travelled in 4 seconds. In this case, the equation is V equals 3 over 3t plus 4. As usual, for merits and distinctions, you need to explain your method. Calculating it will get you a pass. So first of all, we need the strip width. So the strip width is equal to the time travelled, the 4 seconds, divided by how many strips we're going to have. So 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. So if we're looking at our strips from the bottom side, we're starting at 0 and going up in ones. So the strips going up in ones, so the edges 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. For the mid-ordinate rule, we need midpoints. So midpoints here are 0.5, 1.5, 2.5 and 3.5. So we need to construct a table for the Trapezium rule. So we've got T and V. Values are 0.5, 1.5, 2.5 and 3.5, and we'll be using a table mode in the normal way. So mode 7. For the silver calculators, 3 I believe for the black, we get f of x equals so using the fraction button we can type in the equation using x where the t is, so 3 over 3x plus 4 equals start. Our table starts at 0.5, so just a reminder, for x we do alpha close bracket. Our start is 0.5. Our end is 3.5. And our step is 1. So we get our table, we're going to give answers to here to 5 decimal places. So we've got 0.54545, 0.35294, 0.26087, 0.20689, so 9 zeros, 5 decimal places. Right, so I need to convert back to normal mode, so to go back to normal mode on the calc, we press mode 1. Now for the mid-ordinate rule, you use the formula. So it's the strip width times the sum of the V. So in this case, the strip width is 1, so 1 times, open bracket, all these numbers added up. 0.54545 plus 0.35294 plus 0.26087 plus 0.20690. Calculating. And 4 decimal places, 4 decimal places because we lose a bit of accuracy for having rounded. 1.3662. And that's middle ordinate rule. So that much to pass. An explanation of what you're doing and why for merits and distinctions. Trapezium rule. So strip width is the same, but now in our table we need the edges of the strips and therefore the corresponding V values. And of course a different formula for our estimate. So back to table mode, mode 7, let's re-stick the formula in. Now the start, as I say, we're doing those values now, so 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our start is 0, our end is 4, our step is still 1. So sticker values 0.75, 0.4285, 0.3, not needing to round for these, 0.2307, and 1875. Oh no. Oh, sorry, this one does. Something weird on the calculator, giving it as fractions. Let's have a look. On that one, so 5 decimal places, 7. The rest are exact. Right, so, Trapezium rule formula. Equals strip width divided by 2, open bracket, first plus last, plus 2 times sum of the rest. So the strip width is 1, divided by 2, open bracket, first 0.75 plus last 0.1875 plus 2 times sum of the rest 0.42857 plus 0.3 plus 0.23077. Done. Close the 2 brackets. Stick into the calculator. Mode 1 first to go back to normal mode, so a half, open bracket, 0.75 plus 0.1875 plus 2 times, open bracket, 42857 plus 0.3 plus 2.23077, close bracket equals. And so 4 decimal places, 1.4281. And that's Trapezium rule. So again, explaining method, merits and distinction, this much is what you need to pass. Part C, Simpsons Rule, same table, just different formula. So strip width, divide by 3. Open bracket, first plus last. Plus 4 times the even. Plus 2 times the rest of odd. And by that we're talking about position, as we have been in the other sections. So that's the first, that's the second, so it's even. That's the third, so it's odd. That's the fourth, so it's even. And that's the fifth, that's the last, so we don't count it in the rest of odd. So sticking in the values, strip width is 1 over 3, open bracket, first plus last, 0.75 plus 0.1875 plus 4 times open bracket even, the two ones are marked even, added together, 0.42857 plus 0.23077 close bracket plus 2 times the rest of odd, only one value, 0.3 close bracket equals, stick it all into a calculator, 1 over 3 open bracket 0.75 plus 0.1875 plus 4 times open bracket 0.42857 plus 0.23077 close bracket plus 2 times open bracket 0.3 close bracket equals, and 4 decimal places, 1.3916. As usual, the last part is about comparing answers to what you did when you did it correctly. So the answer in B8 was done using integration, so that gives you an exact answer. You then rank these three answers for A, B and C on how good they were as an estimate of that real answer. So if Simpsons Rule was closest, you would say Simpsons Rule was the best, and then you would say, well, the next best is this one, this was the worst, it was the furthest away. Best of luck.